That's good. But I wrote the song up there in NorCal some years ago, and I want to send it out this evening to Miss Donna here, who came down by request. This is one called Love and Happiness. Seems a little finicky. See, I got love and happiness, and I got peace, I don't need no stress. Health is wealth and I am blessed. I got love and I've got happiness. When you push me in that old tire swing, the smell of rain and the feel of spring, start to laughing, I start to sing. When you push me in that old tire swing, well, I got love and happiness, and I got peace, I don't need no stress. Health is wealth and Lord knows we are blessed, oh yes. 'Cause I got love and I've got happiness. When you lay down your head at night, I will sing you this old lullaby. Close your eyes, dear, and turn out the light. When you lay down your sweet head at night, that's when I got love and happiness, and I got peace, I don't need no stress. Health is wealth and Lord knows we are blessed, oh yes. I got love and I've got happiness. You got love, you got happiness. We got love, we got happiness. Thank you very much.